I'm Tom Lowers, Chief Roboticist at BirdBrain Technologies, and today I want to share with you the new Hummingbird Duo Classroom Kit. So let me get it out here. Oh. The Hummingbird Duo Classroom Kit has enough parts for 8 to 12 students working in teams of 2 to 3, and for each team to create a large robotic creation with the parts from the kit. So the kit contains 4 Hummingbird Duo controllers, so the brains of their robot and what they connect all the other electronics to. 4 USB cables for connecting the Duo controller to the computer and programming it. 4 power supplies, which will allow their robots to run independently of the computer or can be used to power the motors and servos in the kit. 4 nifty little terminal tools which are used to connect electronics to the controller board. 4, or actually 16 standoffs, 4 of which are used with each controller to allow the controller to sit on a flat surface and be stable. Lots of tricolor and single color LEDs. So this is a bundle of 4 single color LEDs, red, yellow, green, and orange. And there are 3 such bundles in the kit. There's also a bundle of 8 tricolor LEDs. Now, tricolor LEDs are very popular with the kids because they contain red, green, and blue color elements, and you can mix these colors, these are the primary colors of light, to generate just about any visible color. So these are used often for robot eyes, to express anger with red eyes or happiness with green eyes. We have 5 types of sensors in the kit. So we have 2 each of the following 3 sensors. So 2 distance sensors so that robots can detect if there's somebody nearby. 2 sound sensors which can act as like a clapper to turn things on or off, or students can yell at their robots and their robots can respond to that. And also 2 rotary knobs. So these can be used typically as input devices. Often they're used with snap or scratch games. We have 4 each of the light sensor and the temperature sensor. So let me unbundle these to show you those. So here's the light sensor, and here's the temperature sensor. We have 4 gear motors, and these gear motors each come with both a wheel and a plastic block adapter. So that'll allow you to put plastic blocks from a famous plastic block making company and attach those to the gear motors. The kits also have 4 vibration motors. These are like the type of element you'd find in a cell phone to make it vibrate, and they're great for attaching to bells to make bells ring, or attaching to a flat board that sits on a table to make it move around. We also have 10 hobby servos. Now, hobby servos are great because you can set the angle that they travel to between 0 and 180 degrees. So they're often used to make robot arms or robot faces with actuated eyebrows or mouths. So in contrast to the gear motors, which spin continuously, the servos, you set them to an angle and they go to that angle and stay there. The servos, the 10 servos, come with 6 servo extension cables so that you can put the servos further away from the controller if you need to make a fairly large robot. The kit also comes with some fun extras for the classroom. So we have a USB flash band preloaded with our software, and this can also be used by students to save programs associated with their robots. There are 4 of these in the kit, so 1 for every team. We also have 4 Hummingbird pens, because we strongly suggest that you have students sketch out and draw out their robots before they start building. We have 4 user manuals, which tell everybody how to connect electronics, how to build a simple first robot, and how to program the Hummingbird. And we have a teacher guide written by teachers who've used the original Hummingbird kit in their classrooms. This contains activity ideas, discussion questions, a student project planning workshop, as well as a teacher lesson plan template, and many other materials as well. And finally, not shown, we are including Invent to Learn, which is an awesome book about putting making and tinkering and inventing type activities in the classroom, and we include that with every Hummingbird classroom kit. So that's the classroom kit. Happy making!